Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. I have to sneeze. Does this happen every time I do an intro? Am I allergic to intros? Alright, so today we are doing our 2019 Valentine's Day makeup. I wanted to keep it pretty simple, but play up the peaches and pinks of V-Day. If you guys are doing something special and you just want to keep it pretty simple, then this is the look for you. Alright, let's get into it. The lighting in here looks so good, but it's gonna go away. We never get sun in this basement, but it's like beaming right now. So I've already done one eye to save time, and we are using the Huda Nude palette. If you're not familiar with this palette, it has lots of glitters, pressed glitters, which, you know, we don't trust, and mattes, and it has some chunky glitters, and it has a concealer in it, which I have not tried. All right, the first shade we're going to be going into is Teddy, which is a warm, I can never describe things. I don't even know why I try. It's a warm brown. It's a warm mid-tone brown. And then I'm going to be going into my handy dandy Sigma Blending E25. And what we're going to be doing is popping this right in the crease. And I'm basically going to be building this up until I'm happy with the opacity. So basically to its full potential, as deep as it'll go. That's what she said. That's a good one. And I am gonna kind of bring it out over here as well. And I've been getting into this thing recently where I only blend out with one brush. Cue the applause. All right, once I'm pretty happy with that, I'm going to take the same brush and then I'm just going to go over this line, buffing it out very lightly. I'm really trying to use a lighter hand with my makeup because I'm like beating my face and I'm gonna get wrinkles. So I'm gonna keep this up until I'm happy and it matches the other eye. We have a friend joining us. So hello, sir. Aww. Now time to cut the crease using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And I'm in light medium honey. And I really was trying to do an actual sentence. Also ignore my self-tanner hands. This one's fine, this one's not, because I've been lazy. I'm just going to be using a small detailed brush to cut my crease. If you guys want an in-depth video about crease cutting, let a sister know. I got you. I'm just going to pop this right on my lid and look up. And then cut it. You're lying if you don't think of that song every time someone says it. And then we're gonna go ahead and set with the shade Bare in the palette, and I'm just taking a flat brush and patting this right over the concealer. And when you get to where you cut, be very careful because your brush will move the concealer around and will mess it up. And once it is all the way set, I'm just gonna blend this little part out with my finger just to blend it into my foundation, not make it look like, I don't know, just, you know. Okay, now for the peach eyeliner, I was going to use a lipstick, like a peach lipstick, but actually I was looking in my face paint palette and I have a peach, but it's a little too peachy. So I did mix it with some of the white. And if you guys are wondering, this is the CC Beauty palette I got on Amazon. Highly recommend. I use it way more often than I thought I would. I just took some tweezers and like picked up a little bit of that peach, and then I went into the white and then I mixed it together. And then I'm just using a I'm using a tiny angled brush from BH Cosmetics. Just gonna go ahead and dip in and do our winged eyeliner. Okay, my camera like stopped recording, so that was really cool. But basically what I did, I went back into the Huda palette and I put Teddy underneath my eye on the lash line, and then I blended it out with Play, which is like a peach. And then I took a little bit of my Stila liquid eyeshadow in Kitten Karma, and I took an angled brush and just put a little bit of that glitter right on the inner half of our lower lash line. The next step was gonna be, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes and mascara off camera, and then I will put a picture of the lashes I'm using right here. I believe they are the Kiss lashes in Teddy. But yeah, I will be right back. Alrighty, now that the lashes are on and my camera is gonna focus on me, perfect timing. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. blush in Glow. I hardly wear blush, but because I feel like we're doing a peachy look, it's kind of essential. This isn't a very like pigmented blush, but it gives you like a nice sheen. I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose. All right, and for highlight, I'm going to be going into my NYX Strobe of Genius palette. And I'm gonna be taking the pink highlighter and taking my Makeup Revolution Pro Fixing Spray. I'm gonna spray the brush twice with that. Dip into the pink and highlight our cheekbones and the Cupid's bow. I'm gonna put a little bit of this in my inner corners as well. And the bridge of the nose. All right, to finish off the look, I'm going in with my NYX Powder Puff Lippy, and this is in Best Buds. Alrighty loves, and there you have it. This is my 2019 Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. Alright, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you already aren't part of the family, and I will link my Twitter and Instagram in the bio below. I am very active on Twitter, so feel free to follow me. Alright, yeah, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye loves.